is up and running, and if we tap on this delete icon, then that item will be deleted from our list, and we are also seeing the toast in our screen. So hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will work on how to delete any item from this list. So for that we will add a delete icon in this list item. So we go to UI, to do list content, and here we have this list item, and in that we have a row, and in this column we add a delete icon here. Painter resource or dot drawable, alt enter import drawable delete icon, drawable dot delete. So we need a delete icon here. So for that we go to resources. So right click in here on resources, new, and vector asset, and here previously I have already selected it, so we just need to tap on this clip art, search delete here and select this delete icon, press next and finish, and here we can use that delete icon, and content description would be null, and user can tap on this icon. So for that we use clickable, and in our list item here we add another parameter which is a function type, delete on click, and we will call this inside this one. Actually I will prefer in this way, that on click is equal to delete on click, and where we are calling this using this composable list item, here we also need to pass the third parameter, delete on click, and in that from here we firstly see the preview. So here we are able to see, actually we recently added this delete icon, so we need to build and refresh to get the updated preview. Okay, so this is the updated view here, and here we are seeing this delete icon, so user can tap on it to delete this item. Although its UI not looks very good, but the whole purpose of this video is to understand that how we can delete an item from a list. So in here, when user tap on this delete icon, then we send an action to our view model, to do list action delete to do, and pass the to do in it. So we haven't created this action, so we go to our to do list action, and in here we will press Ctrl D, make a copy of this one, and delete to do. And in our to do list view model, in here we handle this action by pressing Alt Enter on when condition, add remaining branches, and in here we call the delete to do method and pass the action dot value in it. So delete to do method, it doesn't exist yet, so we will press Alt Enter, create this function, and in that we will call the repository method delete and pass the ID in it. And we are sending this action to the repository, and we also need to remove that from the current to do list which we are presenting on the UI side. So for that, to do list dot remove, and pass the value in it. So at this point the item will be deleted when user tap on the delete icon. So we also need to show a toast to the user. So for that we will call show toast method and pass a message in it, and successfully deleted. So we to show this toast, we need to pass some event back to our UI side on this to-do list screen. So for that, here we create first another seal class, to do list event, which would be a seal interface, and in that In that we create a class, that data class show toast, pass which take message as an argument. Actually I need to use sealed before this interface keyword. Okay, so to do list event, and in our view model in here we create a private data member events immutable state shared flow actually, which take to-do list event and expose the immutable version of this one. Events is equal to events dot as shared flow. Okay, and in our here we are calling this show toast method, so we need to create it. So press alt enter, create function show toast, which take message as a parameter, and in here we emit the event to-do list event dot show toast and pass the message in it. And as this emit is a suspend function, so we can only call this from within a coroutine or any other suspend function. So we will wrap this function with a coroutine view model scope. Press alt enter dot launch, and in our UI side to-do list screen we will listen those events in a launched effect, pass a key in it, and in here view model dot events collect latest event and use when condition here. Press alt enter at remaining branches, and in here we show the toast. So to show the toast we use toast dot make text, pass context in it, event dot message, and the last one is the toast dot length short, and after that we can show the toast. So to get the context here we use context is equal to local context dot current, and yeah, this is it. So let's run the app and verify this functionality. Okay, so our app is up and running, and if we tap on this delete icon, then that item will be deleted from our list, and we are also seeing the toast in our screen. So short item is deleted, and we are seeing this successfully deleted toast in our bottom of the screen. So in real app we don't directly delete the item, we just show a confirmation dialog to the user, and after that confirmation we delete the item. But right now our purpose is to understand that how we can reflect the deleted item on the UI. So this is how we can do it. So I hope this will be a meaningful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.